Hello and welcome back to another episode of Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. Just a quick update for you now on this cold Melbourne day. We're about halfway through the winter, but the cold weather has not meant no progress in on the avocado shelf. No. The three roots from the avocado seed are continuing to grow. It seems that we're staying with the three roots at this stage, although I do expect to see some smaller roots emerging in the coming month. I also predict that within the month, the seed will develop a shoot. The seed next to the seed we're following was started at roughly the same time. I began germinating it within a week, and it has just this week popped a shoot out of the top, which is very exciting. Of course, they all have their own rates of doing things, but I do expect to see some sprouting action in the coming weeks. I will of course keep you updated. As for today, the three main roots are growing and looking healthy. I'm confident that this seed is continuing to do well. I am pleased. That's all for now. Please make sure you subscribe if you haven't already and would like to get these updates. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you next time.
Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree.